అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా కాలాతీతమైంది. ఏడీజీ హర్ప్రీత్ సింగ్ గారు, ఏడీజీ బెనారేకా గారు, శర్మ గారు, పింగ్లే సాబ్, members of the faculty, staff, all members of the extended family of MCR HRDI. I consider it as a big family here, which is a family get-together, I feel like. Out of 37 years of my service, 3.8 years was spent here, like slightly more than 1/10 of my service I spent here. So when I go back on the memories that we gathered, the things that we could achieve, at the outset I must thank for so many kind words which were spoken about me, which I don't think I really deserved. I was lucky that we could achieve so many things. I strongly believe that it was not me who got it done. It was the God, it was the providence who was behind every action which made it successful. ना सबूत है ना दलील है, मेरे साथ रब्बे जलील है. Rabba is God. We firmly believe that if we do something strongly, we do something with a pure heart, things get done. We don't do it. Somebody else gets it done through you. That is what I felt throughout my 37 years. If you allow yourself to be that instrument of God, so many good things can happen. If you feel that I have done it, you become arrogant. That arrogance brings your downfall. There are many times I feel that yes, I have done this, but next moment I think no, I couldn't have achieved it. If you say that in pandemic we could achieve 10,000 virtual training, we couldn't have imagined it. So it was the providence which helped us to do it, and each one of you played your role. My role as a head of the institution, I had to only give that spark. I was so lucky that I had such a great team. I used to repeatedly tell in APIC అంటే 5 అక్షరాలు కాదు, అదేవిధంగా MCR HRD అంటే 6 అక్షరాలు 7 అక్షరాలు కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 150 మంది ఉద్యోగులు ఏదో పని చేయాలంటే మీరందరూ కృషి ఉంటేనే చేయగలుగుతాం. Like that, from APIC we could bring from 65 crores to 5,000 crores in 500 years. Not because I could achieve it, because somebody else was behind it to make it happen. God waits for right moment, right instrument. Allow yourself to be the pencil of God, as Mother Teresa used to say. If you allow yourself the pencil of God, God will write through you. That is my firm conviction in my 37 years. So many good things will get done through you if you allow yourself. As collector, so many good things, so many things one could achieve. So many people can be helped if you allow that feeling in you. So I am indeed fortunate that in these 37 years, I had the great opportunity. When we chose this public service, we decided, yes, we are here as a service, as a public service to serve the public, not to make money. Money was never a consideration. There are other corporate sectors which will offer 10 times or 20 times the salary that we got. I used to always joke in Warangal, the panwala which sits outside the collector's bungalow, collector's office, he would be earning much more. There was a small pan shop outside the collectorate those days, my days. So, but why people used to come to the collector? Because they have innate faith that this man will do something to help you, and helps it. If you try to help, it will get done. That is my firm conviction, and in this 3 years, 8 months, we could achieve so many things which I myself never dreamt of. First thing I remember when I joined here, when I was posted here on 1st of March, I attended the farewell function and welcome function at SK Hall. Madhavi was conducting the compere of the show. There I was very tentative. What shall I do? I was a person who believed in getting things done, doing things. Here my job was to train people. I had no experience. Then I realized God wants you to train other people to do things the way you want. And I realized now we have an army of 1,000 civil servants who are trained by us over the last 3 years. who are in different parts of the country, in Andaman, in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala. The way they write to me, it touches my heart. We have learned this from MCHRD. We will remember this lesson throughout our lives. We will serve the people with that empathy. It makes my day. This morning somebody sent a message from Andamans. I was in Andamans, I moved to Vishnu Kant, somebody, I'm forgetting the name. So many people we have been able to, this 1,000 people are part of the 20,000 people in India who are the top administrators of the country. So HRD Institute, and we were lucky in creating those civil servants who will be change agents throughout the country. That multiplier effect we've been able to do. That is what was perhaps the job which God wanted us to do. We have, to a large extent, with His grace, with His blessings, we've been able to achieve. I feel fulfilled, I feel satisfied that in this 3.5 years, we could achieve all this. Infrastructures are important. PVR Prasad laid the foundation. We could, in our own way, the buildings are getting old, we could renovate, we can modernize. But more important is the persons, faculty like Amirullah Sahab, faculty like Pingle Sahab. Every time Dr. Amirullah will take a class, I will say you will get 95% feedback. He was a star performer. Madhavi, Sharma ji, everyone gave their best. Abbas Ali ji is at his age. The kind of commitment till midnight he will make out programs. This is what makes the team. This is what achieves success. I was lucky to be leading such a dedicated team like yours. Each one. During the last 6 months, today I felt so happy that after 8 months we could open the auditorium. Auditorium was almost getting eaten by white ants. The wall was coming off. So now it is having a new look. But I was getting worried that unless you start using it, I hope and pray that very soon we will be able to use the auditorium. We will be getting the special FC certainly, maybe by mid-January or February. Once again, the campus will be buzzing with activities, buzzing with physical. It is buzzing with activities in a virtual way, but in a real way, I hope and pray that we soon resume the physical training. I must thank each one of you for the affection, for the warmth that you have showered on me. Elders like Gautam ji, Sharma ji, all who are here, they never thought that they're senior to me. They worked with immense dedication. Harpreet, there was a time that we didn't have an ADG. Now we had 3 ADGs at one point in time. We had Ashok, we had Harpreet, we had Benhar. So we've been lucky in that. Busani later on. So that is where I had to search for Divya to head. We had to have an All India Service Officer to be the foundation course director. That's why I requested Divya to join, come on deputation. That's why I requested Sharma ji to join. We needed people to interact with the All India Service officers. So, but I hope that we also get back the regular FC. Hope the good sense dawns on Government of India. They are having great difficulty in running it in Mussoorie, 450 of them. I hope they give part of it, or at least the special FC will continue with us. This institution has shown great professionalism. The staff here, the credit for the way you have interacted with the OTs, the way they cherish. Today also I got a message from Mohan Prakash saying that this is the best part of my life I have spent in MCRHRD. Those 3 months I will never forget. I have joined several training institutions after this, but I have never had that warmth. For that the credit goes to the entire staff, the facilities team, Nagaraj, the people at the reception. The way we responded to their needs, we felt as if they felt as if they are at home. That is what is important, and that empathy, that feeling that you are wanted here on this campus. You enjoy your training. Elsewhere, other training institutions, it is discipline, discipline and discipline. We thought these are adults. They should be allowed discipline, but yet with a human face, with sensitivity, treat them as adults. That model has worked to a large extent. That is where we have created this new platform called Alumni Connect. Hope it works. I'll be very happy to, even after retirement, to contribute my whatever time I can to make it a vibrant platform, because there's so much of goodwill about the campus. Thousands of ambassadors are waiting all over the country to be our brand ambassadors. Other day, there was this officer from Gujarat who has gone and told in the Gujarat ATI, you must send the deputy collectors to MCR HRDA. He has ensured that, and that is happening. 55 officers of Group 1 services will come to our institute in month of November. So each one is a brand ambassador for the HRD Institute. So let us continue that goodwill that we have. We have tremendous potential. I have no doubt in my mind that we will, if we continue this tempo, we will be we are already one of the best in the country. We will certainly be perhaps internationally recognized as one of the best training institutes for officers. In terms of virtual training, we need to keep on reinventing ourselves, given the situation which is unfolding. No one really knows how things will unfold. It has to be a blended method in future, in my view, part of virtual training, part of physical training. So we need to be aware of the opportunities that are waiting. With the talent that we have, with the ability that we have, I have no doubt in my mind that we will be successful. I will be watching with pleasure, with pride. In fact, I have a very bad habit. I never give up any institution where I work. My wife says, you don't know how to let things go. She used to tell me that you are trying to run dairy, you are trying to run APIC, you are trying to run marketing department. Wherever I work, at one point I'll be running 10 departments. So this will be another list, another on my head that I will keep on worrying about. I don't know how to let go. I'll be worrying about archaeology, I'll be worrying, Sunita, I must have asked several times, what is happening about this project? So that I don't know how to get detached from, that is my problem. It's a manufacturing defect, as I call it. I don't know how to detach from the jobs that I do. I keep on getting involved, which is a good thing but bad thing also in many ways. So like a bad coin in Gresham's law, I'll keep coming back to the market. I will keep coming back and bother Harpreet and all of you. I'll be watching how it happens, taking place. Wherever you need your help, my help, I am always there. I'll be happy to contribute in whatever way. I wish each one of you all the very best. Let us all be inspired by this goal that we have in mind, the good work that we are doing. It should not stop. Merely because the DG has retired. Retirement is part of life. It's like birth and death. Retirement is not the end of the life. It's a mundane episode in my view in one's career. The government service has ended. As Ramesh said, the service has begun. For me, I look at a public service in the real sense of the term, where I can do something, which I love. Earlier, I had no choice in what work I will do. It was government's prerogative to put me in dairy, put me in marketing. I have had 10 to 12 jobs in these 37 years. I was lucky that I had most of the jobs with fairly good stints, 3 to 4 years at least, except for a couple of jobs which were 10 to 11 months. But even in those 10 to 11 months, we could achieve miracles. Whether it was the HMWSSB or the HMDA, we could turn around those institutions in 10 to 11 months. Those 10 to 11 months, I used to joke, it was like I was feeling like a cancer patient. That as if my days are numbered. I need to achieve, like the Krishna project, which is phase 2, which is going on. I felt as if my days are numbered here. Kept on pushing and nagging on those people and completed that in record time of 11 months. HMDA, like the Outer Ring Road they were telling, we pushed like that. So, but other institutions, other departments, I was lucky to have more than 3 years stint. 3 years as collector, 3 years as DDO. Most of the posts have been more than 3 years, where government have been kind to give me good tenures. So I deem it a great privilege that I am retiring from the service, a contented man, a man who feels lucky and fortunate that God has got so many things done through me. I don't feel proud at all. I feel lucky, I feel fortunate that I have been used as an instrument, and I will continue to make myself available for any good work that is coming my way. Thank you so much to each one of you for the very kind words, and the great affection that you've shown me. I will remember this, and for the ovation, standing ovation that you're all giving me, I feel fulfilled. Thank you so much. ना दलील है ना सबूत है, मेरे साथ रब्बे जलील है. I don't have any evidence that God is there. This is the evidence that God is there. I don't have a document. I don't have any proof that God is there, but God is there, like this. Each one of you is standing and clapping proves the existence of God. Thank you so much. God bless.